Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab with another hitting and smashing up. Bang! You already know. Yeah, man, people, I'm back in the music lab, and today we got a artist that's no stranger to the channel. But like always, before I get into the video, yo, how you feeling? You been taking care of yourself? You sure? You know what I'm saying? You been drinking your water? You been staying prayed up? Have you taken steps to reach closer to your goals? Have you been on your purpose? Let me know in the comment section and be truthful. Don't lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm checking up on y'all, man. I hope y'all good. I hope y'all taking care of yourself. Hope y'all mental health is good. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all, you know what I'm saying, doing everything y'all can to get closer to your dreams and your goals. You know what I'm saying? I hope you're staying on your purpose out here. You know what I'm saying? Every day, every day is different. Every day is a little bit of struggle, but I hope you just stay positive and keep positive in mind and push through, and everything will work out in the end. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, I don't know. Let's see what we deal with today. Yeah, man, today we have an artist that's no stranger to the channel. We have a Najeeriii. Yeah, man, and it seems like he dropped a new song entitled Visionary. And it seems it's been a little minute, and I didn't realize he dropped a new song entitled Vision. So we're going to check it out and see what going on. I don't know, the other artists are doing thing. I have one of the best flows out, you know what I'm saying, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man, we're very interested to see where Najeeriii is headed in his career and thing and type of music where him plan for release. So we want to check out and see what going on with him. But yeah, man, before we jump into that, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, join the latest reaction channel on YouTube. Be a vibe, be an energy. Do yourself a favor. You don't want to miss out on any videos, man, because we got a lot in store on the channel. A lot is coming. Trust me. You don't want to miss out on this. You know what I'm saying? And I'm definitely going to make sure the dear ones are taken care of. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, guys, without further ado, you know what I'm saying, without any delay, let's jump right in the track. Yeah, man. Najeeriii, me have I hope so that look for the youth, man, I think, you know what I'm saying? Feel like I could come do him thing, come in a little different vibes. And me can rate that on, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, want to sound like everybody else, you want to sound different, you want to stand out. And I think so far he's definitely doing a good job of that without doing any gimmicks, I'm just off him flow and him style alone. So, yeah, like I said, without further ado, it's Najeeriii, Visionary. Let's get it.
You got that fire, my nigga.
6 minutes. Yeah, wifey.
Bob. Dog, I like dog catch you. How about like Bob? Alright.
Man, I been tell them say from a dream to a expectation, man.
From a dream to a expectation. You hear that?
Man, Pan visionary, Gary fest that man talk it already. Never pan rich man, pan with a blessing. Fraud scripts, pan calls, still sell it. Happy keep calm, still dance, still like rest.
Tell me, man, no bad man. Now I'm tuning, man. Tell me now, man. Say, yo, from a damn, I didn't, bro. Come on, I need to chop them lyrics, dog. I don't say it with me everything about it. I just forget because I'm talking. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, man, been tell them say from a dream to a expectation, man.
Easy, no man. I like that line. I like that line a lot. From a dream to expectation.
Girl, fest that.
Roll up door, easy, no? Come in. Come on. Man, have visionary. Come in.
Pan visionary, Gary fest that man talk it already. Never pan rich man, pan with a blessing.
Man say, born visionary, Gary fest this. I want to hear, man.
Fraud scripts, pan calls, still sell it. Happy keep calm, still dance, still like resist. Panicking cause him last, him a sell it. Big fat car in a me yard, him a steady. 6 mil gone with a bobs, he not ready.
Hey, big man parking in a me yard, it already up to you. Hey,
man, pan fi bumbo clock this. Pan fi bumbo clock rich. The killer links tell me gun no shot clip is.
Man, born fi bumbo clock this. Born fi bumbo clock rich. Me gun them no shot clip. I want to you, brother. I want to know. Easy though. Yeah, young youth man. I want to know. You were born for this, man. I want to know go fly the gate, man. I can take over the YouTube thing. I want to. You can't stop it.
Us and our son fi run out our bricks. Fuck go class tons, big tons no pass shit. Just work and trust, we must bust our rich. Love no last cause we cut so much string. We dig food and a ground dig up no farming. We walk
cut so fast, we cut some hard string of that thing.
we must bust our rich. Love no last cause we cut so much string. We dig food and a ground dig.
Man say love no last cause so we cut some hard string. Oh shit.
We got no farming, we walk it line with consistency. She run it Kyle from a bank in Wembley. We broke
yeah, we walk in line with consistency. She said the food from the bank with what right?
kick line and a fat him dealt with. I fi go fit mines and a God did help me. Oh me want range a glass house a father. Me
I fi go for it and a God did help me. Yo, me hit me line the youth a flow, you freak dog.
fit mines and a God did help me. Oh me want range a glass house a father. Me walk a skull till it car over draft yeah. Give up a mummy no grass own a car. Stone a drag up but a dog's house a dark and guns full of yard no top out a royal flush.
I want to your man don't spoil it down the top about no royal flush.
Love it fraud, no see nothing to me loyal so walk it not stack it.
Man say love it fraud, me no see nothing loyal to me so. Hey, easy no my youth.
Duffel for my dogs have some start cock guns, man can't lock us. Big clock tucking and we all strapped up. He bitch was so kick cocky fast and cut. One life of it, live a life large and done. Big grab.
The man say one life I feel live life large and done. Know what I mean, man? You look, yeah, you go feel, man. Me no blame you. You see me? You feel everything. Yeah, and then some. You know what I mean, man? I want to man live life, man. I want to love when people are and that. You see me? A bad mind people and like when see people I do good, you know. You see me, my youth. Yeah, guys, my bad. My internet were acting up, but let's pick up where we left off, guys. This song is actually a vibe, bro. I like energy. It's crazy. This flow is crazy. This is Najeeriii, man. Let me know what your favorite part, man. What's your favorite part so far?
Life large and done. Big grab like that. Man, pan fi bump like this. Pan fi bump like rich. The killer links tell me gun no shot. Clip his skull bust and our son fi run out of bricks. Go class tons, me tons no pass shit. Just walk and trust, we must bust and rich. Love no last guns, we cut.
The class me dunce no ras. Pass. Hey, be able
to so much string for the give food and a brown dig up no farming. Pan visionary, Gally fest that man talk this already. Never born rich man, born with a blessing.
Never born rich man, born with the blessings. I want to man for you bless me think you're rich, do you know? You see me?
Hard scripts, pan calls, see that silly.
The richest you can be is when you're blessing, when you're blessed by God, no man.
I fi keep calm, still dance, still aggressive. Skull panicking, cause him last, him a send it. Big fat.
It's called panicking, cause him last, him a send it.
Yeah, na me yard, we must steady. 6 mil calm with the bombs in already.
6 mil calm with the bombs in already. It's easy now, man. Yeah, mean, my youth. Yeah, man.
Man, pan fi bump like this. Pan fi bump like rich. The killer links tell me gun no shot. Clip his skull bust and our son fi run go jar bricks. Fuck go class tons, me tons no pass shit. Just walk and trust, we must bust and rich. Love no last cause we cut some hard string for the give food and a ground dig up no.
Man to love no last cut, we cut some hard string.
Farming, pan visionary. Man thought this already. Never born rich man, born with a blessing. It's 6 mil.
Never born rich man, born with a blessing. I want to you.
We must study. Bob's in a. I see. Big grab like Bob.
Big grab like Bob.
My time, no man.
Man, born fi bump like rich. Born fi bump like this. Killer link star, me gun no shot. Clip his skull, what's a nice son fi run go jack.
Yeah.
Don't no pass shit.
Fully.
Easy now. Rubum.
Big grab like Bob.
Blows on skirt, be for myself. Yeah, Najeeriii, man, visionary. Yeah, man, people, I'm sure think. What y'all think about that one, man? I think that was lit. I think one of the best young artists out right now. Vibes there for sure. You know what I'm saying? One of the best young artists out right now. And flow is different. They're very different, man. You see me? So one thing, keep it up. We're gonna keep on Najeeriii, man. Keep it, keep on his career. I hope he take it to the top. You know what I'm saying? He definitely has a space in that game. It's what level him take it to and where him take it to is all up to him from here. You see me? So big up Najeeriii, visionary guys. Let me know what you think about the one day in the comment section. You don't know, that was lit. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your favorite part was. It the lyrics, the flow, melody, video, whatever it was, just let me know. So you know what I'm saying? So we know what was going on, so we can have a discussion about this. And definitely let me know what you want me to react to next. You know what I'm saying? Drop your comments in the comment section. You're gonna see your comments and get a shout out if I choose your song to react to. So definitely drop in the comment section, chop it up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. You don't want to miss the vibes. You see the vibes and the energy over here nice, don't it? That's why you're still there, don't it? Yeah, man, don't lie to yourself. Don't make your bad mind take over, man. Just be honest, you know what I'm saying? So let's like up the video, subscribe. You don't know what time it is, people. Your boy Jambisco is here, then I hit and I smash up. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Y'all be hearing taking care of yourself, but y'all don't hear the each other part. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.